Alright, so I just finished with the muster station drill, and the party's going on upstairs, but I had to quickly come in here and like finish unpacking, because I felt like if I got all of that out of the way, then I could just relax for the rest of the time. So that's what I just did. I unpacked everything the way I want it. I'll quickly show you what I did. So for me, it just works out a lot easier if I already pack everything out, and then I don't have anything to think about when I'm coming in and going out of the room. So I'll show you in the bathroom with me. Okay, so in the bathroom I have some extra stuff in here, but like I have all of my face stuff and my teeth stuff and armpit stuff, and just what's in here again? Oh, there's hair stuff up here, and that's pretty much what I really that's pretty much what I did in the bathroom. And then I put like a little shower cap. Last time I came on a cruise, they had a different kind of safe. They had something where you slide your card. This, they have the code. So I put my code in already, and I put my personal belongings in here already. In this closet here, I just hung up some of my clothes, and I've already used some wrinkle release on some of them, so hopefully they're not too crushed up when it's time for me to wear them. And then I have my bags and belts right here. I put my shoes down here, and I didn't really put, and then I put the shorter items here. So these are like leotards, bodysuits. So all of these here, actually stopping right there, they're all bodysuits. And then like skirt and pants. I have my towel there. You don't have to bring a towel, but I brought a towel. I brought a towel, a cute towel for the beach, but you can use their towel if you want. I just brought my own. I brought air freshener just because the rooms kind of smell musty. I've already wiped everything down, so all the handles, I wiped all the doors. I just used I just used some Clorox wipes and just wiped everything down. Since I'm already in this drawer, I'll show you. In this drawer I have there goes the wrinkle release that I used before. I have Dramamine. This is motion sickness pills. I don't get motion sickness anymore. I used to get motion sickness when I was younger and going on a cruise, but not anymore. So I just bought them just in case, and I had them from the last cruise. In here I have things like thermometer. Just it's a Ziploc bag full of stuff. I didn't really do much to it from the last cruise. I just added a few things, and that's that. I have a few laundry detergent pods just in case I need to wash something. I doubt I will, because I have more than enough, but just in case, you never know. And just miscellaneous things are right here. This section I have designated to all of my, it's my catch-all drawer. So this is going to be all of my paperwork, because you do accumulate a lot of paperwork on a cruise. Those. All right, and then I have I just got a cup of ice because I love ice. And I got a cup of water because I'm going to take the emergency. So one thing about cruises is that people get sick a lot on cruises. So I try my best to just clean off my personal areas and to try and keep my immune system as strong as possible. So that is why I use that. So I'm going to drink that. Like I said, the party's going on, so I'm trying to get in there. I washed all of these off already. I just put a towel down to it to drain. Up here I have a sweet tooth. A lot of the sweets up there I can't really eat, so I don't really want to anyway. So anytime I feel for something sweet, some dark chocolate, sunflower seeds. This is my makeup, some jewelry, and what's in here again? What is it? Oh, in here I have a little first aid kit, my own little things, essentials right there. Along here I have my charging station. Now when you come on a cruise, there's only one hole. There's usually only one area to put your stuff in. If you have a lot of things to charge, like I currently do, you're not gonna be able to. So I just bring a power strip with me so I can charge everything I need to. I also bring my little purifier, humidifier, whatever, and it also lights up, so I keep it on at night and it's a little night light for the room. I have my second charger. This camera doesn't really keep charge very long. That's why a lot of the time I end up using this old phone. So this is my old phone and it takes good video, so I just take that with me. A lot of my footage is probably going to be coming from this. My phone. These I'm going to put away. I'm just going to charge, make sure they're 100% charged. That's why they're out, but I will be keeping them in here. Okay, in here I have some extra speakers, tripod, and get a waterproof case for your phone. And my tablet, don't watch this, my case was ugly, so I tried to this morning I tried to cover it really quickly. I'm gonna do it properly when I get home, but yeah, it's a hot mess, but it's my Kindle and I have some books loaded in here in case I don't want to read these ones. In here I have some highlighters, pens, and sticky notes and stuff. Any messages I might want to give to the steward, or just some things if I want to write something down, I have that there. I have the books that I'm going to be going through reading when I have some downtime. And I also have this book here. I haven't started it yet, but it's a exercise book, what's it called, composition book. I'm going to be journaling, so anything that comes to my mind right now, I'm going to just put it in there. I also got this. You can get these from the Dollar Tree. The Dollar Trees I was checking, they didn't have them at the time, so I just got this from another place. But these are very convenient to put your dirty clothes in, like so you know when you're rushing to and from wherever you're doing, because there's so much to do on the boat, you don't have time to try and keep everything organized. And this is why I organize it right now, so then it's going to be easy for me to go and come. So I just throw my dirty clothes in there. I didn't put anything in that down there, but there's my hat. Everything is down. I did check to see if the sheets are clean. This right here, I just don't have time to open it yet. I have to find scissors. But this is my wine. I bought wine. I put it in here because I didn't want it to spill. And then in here, I just have a bag with my undies and stuff. And then I have my rest of my clothes in here. So here I have some shorts and stuff because I couldn't hang them up. So a few shorts and tops. And then in here I have I'm going to be going to the gym, so I have some workout clothes and some bed clothes and some beach clothes and cover-ups and stuff like that. So obviously it's up to you if you choose to organize your stuff or just leave it in a suitcase. I don't like living out a suitcase when I'm on holiday. I want to be able to just grab my things and go. The room, I actually am okay with it so far. We aren't really on the water. Well, we're on the water, obviously we're on a boat, but when we start to move, I'll see how I feel. But last time I came, I had a window, and I liked the window because I was able to just look out and see where we are, what time of day it is. I don't feel isolated in here. It's actually okay. It's a decent size for me, so like it's a decent size. You're not going to be bumping your legs into anything, you see. So yeah.